brother, these people, when they are pushing, by the time they get what they want, when we begin to arrive home, when we will think that we need to go and fight, these people, they will be nowhere to be found. This elderly food, she allowed Biafra go. They have done their part. They work with Ohamadike. They work with our Prime Minister. Now our Prime Minister have set a table before us in the presence of our enemies. They should allow USB fight and get Biafra. Let them come back and be part of Biafra. They should leave USB and Dr. Ngozi Arobeze alone. She have given the leading license to do whatever they want to do. He asked them to do whatever they want to do. But they cannot be using these laws and coming to insult our own person, insult a Biafran daughter. Every day they call her all manner of names. I saw those videos. The day the video was released. I watched the video from beginning to the how he was making fun and jest of this gentleman. Now, so what they are doing is that their own is to use our money, go and take these people over. We breed, they go and take over. My brother, they can do whatever they want. PM is coming out. Look, let me conclude. These people, this group of people, Madam Arimafko, she was suspended. That was why she was suspended by PM. So who cares? Well, I don't know whatever I call herself. Because I know people that are answering or no in Anambra State. They are highly placed people. So she cannot come and she be making or no, putting black glasses and covering her face. Who cares?
But the question is that, I understand that in Igbo language, for you to answer Onowu, that's the second to you.
Yes, you said it one time, Onowu is a very big stool. It's a very big office.
Onowu is somebody that is second in command to Igwe.
Yes,
now,
a kingmaker.
How did she learn how to speak Hausa language fluently? If she's the daughter of
my brother, I'm just
so is he Onowu? Is he Igwe community in Kaduna? Or I don't understand, because for her to speak Hausa language and understand it as daughter of Onowu normally stays in the village. So what are you doing in the north for you to know how? Then in 60s, when because she said that she saw one and she was there when they fought war. So at least she saw what happened during 1967. So she's not a baby. So Onowu of that time, or I don't know when her father become Onowu, but whatever. Or she just choose to answer I don't know for like Igwe in the US, maybe American Igwe, or so I don't understand. Because all these things need to be stopped. Sometimes I feel like they don't want their friend to come. I'm just
not you feel like they do not want Biafra to come. These people did a lot of atrocities that they are running away from.
Okay.
Yes. They did something they are running away from. How can if by that time she's in the north and speaking Hausa, they must have taken her that time and she showed them road. I am telling you, because if you watch, Onowu is the next to the king. Before you even go to king, if you want to be anything in the community, you have to first go and meet the Onowu of the community.
True.
And you're coming and answering, I don't know, you come to the TV and you'll be messing yourself up. You have children, this and that. I don't know, if this woman, God forbid, she can never be my mother. Believe me, if she's my mother, I would disown her. I will disown her. I can never have such. I never have this. I would never have her as my own mother. God forbid.
Yeah, she said that she's Mama Biafran. Actually,
God forbid. I'm so every day I get furious about these people, their stupidity. If you are old, you go and sit down now. We will also get old. Let us go away. Let us do our thing and also get old. This stupidity is too much. It's too much.